Mail-in voting is called absentee voting. Who can vote absentee? In Tennessee, you must meet criteria to absentee vote. Absentee voting varies by state. You can vote absentee by mail if you fall under one of the following categories. You are 60 years of age or older. You will be outside the county where you are registered during the early voting period and all day on Election Day. You are hospitalized, ill or physically disabled, and unable to appear at your polling place to vote. A physician's statement is not required to check this box. You are the caretaker of a person who is hospitalized, ill, or disabled. A physician statement is not required to check this box. You or your spouse are a full-time student in an accredited college or university outside the county where you are registered. You reside in a nursing home, assisted living facility, or home for the aged outside your county of residence. You are a candidate for office in the election. You are observing a religious holiday that prevents you from voting in person during the early voting period and on Election Day. You serve as an Election Day official or as a member or employee of the Election Commission. You will be unable to vote in person due to jury duty. You have a disability and an inaccessible polling place. You or your spouse possess a valid commercial driver's license or transportation worker identification credential card, and you will be working outside the state or county of registration during the open hours of early voting and Election Day, and no specific out-of-county or out-of-state address to which mail may be sent or received during such time. You are a member of the military or are an overseas citizen. You are on the permanent absentee list. Go online to govotetn.gov or sumnercountytn.org and download an application. Complete the application and mail it into the office. Scan and email the application to the office or bring it in person. The election office will verify your information and signature. A ballot specific to your residential address will be mailed to the address you include on the application. You cast your vote on the absentee ballot card. You will be provided a specific ballot envelope in which to return your ballot. You complete and sign the ballot envelope. You mail the ballot envelope with the ballot inside to our office. You must place the ballot in the USPS mail or return via a service such as UPS, FedEx, etc. You cannot hand deliver an absentee ballot to the election office. A registered voter may request an application for a by-mail ballot no earlier than 90 days before the election and no later than 10 days before the election to be processed for the next election. The application must be received by the Election Commission no later than 10 days before the election. You must submit a written request containing the information below to your local county election commission office by the 10th day before election. You can submit your written request for an absentee ballot by mail or email. If emailing your request, be sure the attached document contains the information below and your scanned signature. 1. Name of the registered voter, address of the voter's residence, voter's social security number, voter's date of birth, address to mail the ballot, the election in which the voter wishes to participate if the election involves a primary, the political party in which the voter wishes to participate, reason the voter wishes to vote absentee, if applicable, a copy of the CDL containing the CDL number or the TWIC card must be included in the voter's request. Voter's signature. If your ballot is received by the Sumner County Election Commission on or before 7 p.m. on Election Day, your ballot will count.